Guys, ito na yung Realme GT7 Dream Edition. Let's unbox it. As you can see, it is obvious that this device is in collaboration with Aston Martin, a luxury sports car brand. And yes, ang premium tingnan ng package na ito. Ang bigat din. After opening it, you will be greeted with another green box. Ang cool, may coffee table book ng history ng Aston Martin Racing. Next, the telepono itself. And wow, this looks great. Gusto ko yung aerodynamic flow lines design with a 3D tactile feel. Ang tawag nila dito din is the Aston Martin Green. Tapos may sleek Aston Martin silver wing emblem in the middle pa. Uy, may premium carbon fiber-like case din siya. Personally, sana green din yung case, but protected talaga siya with this one. Ito naman yung paper documents. And may SIM injector tool na parang racing car design. Ang cute. I'm happy na may 120 watts power brick pa rin siya. And may kasama ding USB-A to USB-C data and charging cable in black. Ayan, ito na yung everything inside the package. By the way, ang nipis nito for a smartphone with a massive 7,000 mAh capacity. Hindi din malaki yung camera hump. So watch out sa aming mga camera samples, benchmarks, and other tests. This Dimensity 9400E powered smartphone is priced at 39,999 pesos. Watch out for more content on www.gizguy.com.